A report from the Food Bank of Canada says March saw the highest number of visits to a food bank in history. The organization saying during the month there were over 2 million visits to food banks across Canada. As Danielle DeGraw reports, one local organization in Hamilton is fighting to catch up.
The food banking system is buckling under the strain.
Food Banks of Canada just released their 2024 Hunger Count report. It says there are signs the food banking system as a whole is reaching its limit.
To put in context, it took us nearly 30 years as a food bank system to see about 1 million visits a month, and now it's only taken us 5 years to add another million to that.
Kirsten Beardsley, CEO of Food Banks Canada, is advocating for more government investment in social programs. She says people don't have enough to eat after paying for living expenses like rent.
The most heartbreaking thing that we talk about in food banks is just how many kids are using food banks. So of the 2 million visits in March, 700,000 visits were for children.
At the Neighbor to Neighbor Centre here in Hamilton, they say that the cost of living has gone up. Therefore, people are having a challenge with putting food in their cupboards. Usage of their food bank has gone up 50%.
Charlotte Redcup-Young is the director of emergency food at Neighbor to Neighbor in Hamilton. They have a food bank and services to assist individuals facing cost of living challenges. She says this report confirms what they are seeing here in our community.
Food has risen in price exponentially, so that part, it's like almost a confirmation.
Charlotte Redcup-Young sees the solution in social assistance rates increasing. Laura Ryan, manager of family services at Neighbor to Neighbor, agrees. She says the costs of living are above basic income, then food becomes last on the list.
We're seeing seniors come to the food bank and come into our electricity program that said, I have never had to be here before.
The food bank is currently serving 1,700 families per month. That's over 5,000 individuals.
Laura Ryan says the clients she sees are having to make tough decisions to live, considering the cost of living is so high. If you would like more information on how to help Neighbor to Neighbor, visit chchanews.com and we will have their link there.